had a Republican Congress, and he didn't repeal and replace Obamacare. And you want to know why? In the end, we lost by one vote. One vote. Whose vote was it? John McCain's. And why didn't John McCain vote that way? Because Donald Trump, from 2015 forward, insulted John McCain every chance he had. Said he wasn't a war hero. Insulted his time when he ran for president. Insulted his service in the Senate. Went to Arizona and said, anybody who's a McCain person can't be with me. His own selfishness and self-centeredness cost us repeal and replacement of Obamacare. So we still have Obamacare today.